What are these? If you want to know, keep on watching. Hello, my YouTube people. How you doing today? I hope everybody had a great weekend. Welcome to Vlogmas 15. You're gonna notice a little something different, so I'll just go ahead and say it. This hairstyle has been brought to you by my beautiful friend who is also a fellow YouTuber, Enid Sabel. She says, you know, girl, you should release the bun. So I have released the bun, at least for today's video. Maybe I'll have the bun back tomorrow, but for today, this is what I look like without the bun. So if you don't know who she is, you should definitely go check out her channel. It is about all things glam and all things faith. She's absolutely hysterical and beautiful and authentic, and I will link her video up here or up here so you guys can go watch her. It's Enid Sabel, so go check her out. So today's video is about the hourglass. So a lot of you are probably like, what's that? What's an hourglass? Well, an hourglass has a little bit of history, and I am going to show you how I made it using items from the Dollar Tree. Yep, using items from my favorite store, the Dollar Tree. This was no easy feat. I've gone to the Dollar Tree about 4 or 5 times searching for these items. And one day in the candle section, I just turned around and there it was. It was like a light shining down on these items to make this hourglass. I hope you like it. So let's look at the history of the hourglass. The evolution of timekeeping, a look into the history of hourglass. And I'm getting this from Gift Deco on Google. So the evolution of timekeeping, a look into the history of the hourglass. The earliest known hourglass dates back to ancient Egypt around the 14th century BC. These early hourglasses were made from 2 glass bulbs connected by a narrow neck and filled with sand and other materials such as pebbles or metal beads. The sand would flow from the upper bulb to the lower bulb through the narrow neck, marking the passage of time. How cool is that? Hourglasses were used in a variety of ways throughout history. They were used as timers for cooking, as alarms for waking up, and even as timers for religious rituals. They were also used by sailors to measure the time at sea and by scholars to measure the duration of lectures. So here it is, guys. Isn't that cute? And they work. Well, you know, granted, I'm not gonna say that they're hourglasses. I'm not even gonna say that they're minute glasses, but they're really cool to look at. So I don't know, maybe we should do an actual test to see how much time goes by with these. But aren't they so cool for home decor and such a cute idea for a DIY and a side hustle? I think that you can easily sell these for $15 or $20. It's just such a cool piece of home decor. And the fact that they're functional really makes a difference. I just love the way these came out. I think that this can accent anybody's home decor. It's just a pretty item, you know? And then I went back to the Dollar Tree to see if I can find more vessels, and then came upon the ultimate vessels. Now, I don't know what these are supposed to be. They just say glass bottles, but guys, how cool is this? I was like, okay, I'm making an hourglass out of that. But I just wanted to come show you what they look like. They just say bottle. So I don't know, but look how cool that is. How cool would that be as an hourglass? It almost has the original hourglass shape, and I'm sure that you guys can make something really beautiful out of this. I just think that they're really dynamite, and I just think that they're pretty. I think they're pretty items. And I love the history of the hourglass. I love the history of the hourglass. It's just one of the most innovative things ever invented, ever created. And it's, you know, I haven't seen them in a while, and I just wanted to bring them back. I love to create unique DIYs. That way it gives you guys a better experience when people are looking for unique gifts that may not be mainstream. So I can see this selling very well. I think you guys should try it. I'm interested to know if you do try it, how they came out. And yeah, comment below. I really want to know what you guys think of this. I hope that you enjoyed Vlogmas 15 and my little history lesson. If you're new here, my name is Maria. I go by a talented Latina. I usually have my hair in a bun. And yeah, if you like the content, if you see value, please press like and subscribe, and always comment. You know, I love the comments. I love to hear what you guys think. And let me know if you guys want to try this project. I really want to know what you guys come up with. So, you know, along with this project, I have to teach you about digital products. What digital product can we create with this item to bring you multiple streams of income? I'm all about maximizing the DIY so that you can create those multiple streams of incomes, and it does not have to end with the physical creation of the DIY. So we have a lot of cute item ideas. You can create love letters, you can create love letter templates, you can create beautiful journals, you can create art packs that have different hourglasses and do them through Midjourney. You can create an ebook about different hourglasses and different creations. You can create mood board designs based on these beautiful hourglasses for each individual kind of home decor. Digital scrapbooking and junk journals is another one that would be really, really pretty with this theme. This is also a beautiful thing to have as a wedding centerpiece or as an event centerpiece, maybe for a 50th, 40th birthday party, an anniversary celebration. I mean, the possibilities are endless, and it can go as far as your mind wants to take it. So I was really excited to bring you this hourglass project. I thought it was a little different, a little unique, and you know, I love to bring you unique things, and you know, things are just out of the norm and out of the box. Yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas 16. Peace.